Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi to everyone. Okay, for today's class with me, of course, Mr. Fatu, we're going to learn about linking verbs. I hope you will listen carefully to what I am going to explain. And if you have any questions about this topic, about this lesson, please do ask. First of all, we need to know what is linking verbs. Okay, linking verbs actually verbs. Yes, all the linking verbs are verbs and it is generally used to link two phrases to become one complete sentence. For today's class, we're going to learn 5 linking verbs. They are am, is, are, was, and were. There are two categories of linking verb which are singular and plural. For singular linking verbs, we have am, is, and was. And for plural linking verb, we have are and were. For present tense singular linking verb, we have am and is. For past tense singular linking verb, we have only was. For present tense plural linking verb, we have are, and for past tense plural linking verb, we have were. Next, we're going to learn how to use the linking verbs correctly. Okay, there are two ways to use the linking verb. The first way is linking verb is used as the verb itself, whereas the linking verb stands alone without the verb after the linking verbs. Okay, these are the examples of the linking verb act as the verb. Number 1. Ali is a dentist. Ali is a dentist. Here we can see that after the linking verb is, there is no verb. So here we can say that the linking verb act as the verb. Number 2, Amina was a doctor. Here we can see that the linking verb was is not followed by a verb. So here we can say that the linking verb act as the verb. Number 4, Julia and Joshua are twins. The linking verb are here is standing alone. So we can say that are is a verb. They were brothers. They were brothers. So here we can see that the linking verb were stand alone without the verb. We can also use linking verb in the continuous tense. The verb after the linking verb need to be added ing. For the example, Sheila is singing on the stage. Sheila is singing on the stage. As we can see here, is a linking verb. Sing is a verb. So the condition is the verbs after the linking verb need to be added ing. So the sing here should be added ing. So the correct sentence is Sheila is singing on the stage. Number 2, Katie was going to the mall. Katie was going to the mall. Here we can say that was is a linking verb. Go is a verb. So that's why here we need to add ing. Katie was going to the mall. Number 3, Amiruddin is walking to the park. Amiruddin is walking to the park. Here we can see that is the linking verb. Walk is a verb, so it needs to be added ing. So that's why it becomes Amiruddin is walking to the park. Brandon and Jonathan were eating at the canteen. Brandon and Jonathan were eating at the canteen. Here we can see that the word were is a linking verb. It is a verb, so we need to add ing. So the sentence need to be Brandon and Jonathan were eating at the canteen. Number 5, they were dancing at the beach. They were dancing at the beach. So here we can see that the word were here is a linking verb, and the verb the the word dance is a verb, so it should be followed by ing. That's all for today's class. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye. Thank you.